Good day. This is going to be a short video. So the Scoby Hotel, very, very simple. You get yourself a jar and fill it up with some sweet tea and a little bit of the leftover kombucha that you have in there. And then just reach in and just set it in. Now that just kind of guarantees that you have a couple extra Scobies in case you want to brew faster or more, however you want to do it. But that one, I took half of it and fed it to the chickens, and I'm going to be doing that a lot. So there's your Scoby Hotel. Put that in the refrigerator and loosely put the lid on, and that's all there is to it. It's a very simple little setup. Now, the other thing too is having a couple extra Scobies on hand is if your friend wants to get into it, you can easily give them a little bit of the tea and a little bit of the one of the Scobies, and they're in it. So there it is in a quick nutshell, Scoby Hotel. So if you guys like what you see, please like, follow, comment, share, and, tell a friend. Keep your head on a swivel, stay safe, and hit that subscribe button. So y'all take care.